Hey guys, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name's Gavin and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a classic hot toddy. This is my personal favorite drink for the winter season. It's probably the best drink for the late nights. If you're having a game night, watching a movie, the best for anything. So let's get started. First, we're gonna use our Amoretti cinnamon syrup. We're just gonna use 1 pump of that. This is gonna add a perfect sweetness and cinnamon taste to this drink. Next, we're gonna be adding our Jameson. We can use any type of whiskey for this. This is my favorite, so this is what we're gonna be using. Next, we're gonna be adding our lemon juice and honey. These are both to taste. I'm gonna use half a lemon because I love lemony drinks. Next, we're gonna be adding our honey, 2 teaspoons to a little more. This is all for taste. Finally, we're gonna add our hot water. All that's left is to stir and then drink. Okay, now that our drink's all done, let's garnish it and give it a try. And then we can get a cinnamon stick. I like to garnish all of my hot toddies with lemon and a cinnamon stick. All right, now let's give this drink a try. Perfect, nice and warm. I love this drink. It's the perfect drink for the winter season. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have tons of fun holiday recipes coming for you. And make sure to follow us on all social media platforms at Amoretti on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.